Tanghadin kendak sengi bakan North Eastern Hill University kalau penemana bakan pyntreikam no iakan National Education Policy arjar arpau naduh academic session di snem mynta Kemekhlia College Teachers Association mentang sengipat ke arpau tarik unatung arajar arpulai kalau penbau ke Pyrshah ke bujur iakan rai jong NEHU habiskan bikin untuk kabar mentang sengi Islam Press Club kinang yalam jaga MCTA kila ong bagi Pyrshah iakan rai jong NEHU nomor ke komisioner dan setia akan unu kejiakren haga jalan jaga Academic Council jong NEHU na kalian ke MCTA ke dawa bakan NEHU ke di bana wengno iakan dia ke hukum ke belang ke basyutok ke basyuskor pada ke juga puak kalau ongru bagi college kebetulan puak ke jalan makhlia kipat long ke belakloy pyntreikam iakan dia ke polisi naduh unu snem mynta.
Related to the notification with regard to the implementation of NEP 2020 in the affiliated undergraduate colleges, we from the association today, the 21st July 2023, have given a letter to the VC, NEHU, as well as copies of the same has been circulated to the Chief Minister, the Education Minister, also including the Chief Secretary of the State of Meghalaya. So I would like to share with you the content of this letter that we have given to the Vice Chancellor of the North Eastern Hill University today. I will just read the letter. It's not very lengthy. I will not take much time. The letter addressed like this: to the Vice Chancellor, North Eastern Hill University, Shillong. Subject: implementation of the NEP 2020 in the affiliated undergraduate colleges. Reference: CDC NEP 2020-22 1578, dated 12 July 2023. Sir, with reference to the subject cited above, the association would like to state that your decision to implement the NEP 2020 in the undergraduate colleges from the academic session 2023-24 is shocking and unacceptable. It may be reminded that the MCTA has teacher representatives to the Academic Council, and as responsible members, their presence, participation and contributions cannot be discounted. In the 110th Academic Council meeting, the teacher representatives were present and even participated in the deliberations. Therefore, the members of the Academic Council, they are in the know of the entire proceedings of the House in the referred meeting. In the backdrop of the above, the association strongly urge upon you to withdraw the above mentioned circular/order issued from the office of the Officer on Special Duty, College Development Council, due to the following facts. Number 1, that the order/circular/notification/letter is based on the premise of misrepresentation of facts, which amounts to a blatant lie and falsehood. Number 2, that the NEHU 110 NEHU Academic Council meeting never adopted a resolution to implement the NEP with effect from the 2023-24 academic session. It may be noted that the said Academic Council meeting adopted only the ordinances relating to the NEP 2020 and also the syllabus prepared by different departments and schools. Number 3, that in the referred Academic Council meeting, there was unanimity among the members of the Council that the NEP would be implemented from the year 2024-25 academic session. This is due to the fact that the NEHU was late in the preparation of the ordinances as well as the NEP syllabus of different disciplines. It may be appreciated and comprehended that the colleges have no time to prepare the infrastructural and financial requirements that are important for the implementation of the NEP 2020.